Meaning of Francis Bacon.
Francis Bacon.
Francis Bacon.
Francis Bacon.
Francis Bacon. Francis Bacon was an English philosopher, statesman, and scientist who lived from 1561 to 1626. He is considered one of the fathers of modern science and developed the scientific method of inquiry. Bacon believed that knowledge should be obtained through empirical observation and experimentation, rather than relying solely on tradition or authority. He also wrote extensively on politics, ethics, and religion, and his works influenced the development of the Enlightenment period. Bacon's legacy continues to shape modern thinking about science, philosophy, and the relationship between knowledge and power.